fingers down my side. Girl, you look mighty fine. Won't you rub your
Well, this is Vijay here, back again with another video. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to record, how to download and how to install the OBS studio. That's the software that I use in screen recording. You can see here I'm recording my screen. Here is the mic voice and here is the desktop audio. Here you can see start, stop, recording, studio mode, settings, etc. and lot of stuffs. So first let's get into how to install this one. This is a cross-platform software and it is completely free. You can download it for Windows, Mac and Linux. Here is the downloading option. I am downloading it for Windows. It automatically detects which OS you are using or running. Here you can see it has detected Windows. Windows Vista is no longer supported. It only runs on 8, 8.1 and 10. Obviously you are using any one of them in this 2000 almost 19. So let me download first. Here you just first download the installer and then it is a 66 MB file. Just save it, and if you have a 32-bit then you download this one. If you want to download it via torrent, then you can click on this one. If you want to download a zip file, you can download it this one. And if you want to see it on GitHub, as it is a free source software, you can upgrade it. You can do whatever you want with this software. It is an open source software and it doesn't cost anything. So I am downloading it first, then I will catch you up. So yeah, so here I have downloaded it. The software has been downloaded. If I will double click on it, and keep in mind I am also running this for recording also, so I will not probably install it. I will just go up to the step. So here you can see OBS is already running. First, before installing a new version, I need to close it. So here in this step you also know how to do it, so I am skipping this one. I am already updated my updated version of this OBS studio. So here it is running. I will show on another OBS studio. Let me pop up another one. Just wait for it until it opens. It takes time to open, but after it opens it runs smoothly. Okay, so here another screen is here of the OBS studio. I will show you the settings here what I am using to record my screen. So here there are a lot of tabs. You can also live stream with it on YouTube, on Twitch, gaming live streams, and any live streams you can do it. Here it is general tab. I have set the language English. I like the dark theme. There are a lot of themes, normal also. Let this all be as normal as default one. Here on stream, if you want to stream, and if you want to know how to stream with OBS studio, let me know in the comment section below. I will try to make a video on it, how to stream with OBS studio on YouTube. Here it is for all streaming purpose. It is YouTube. Here a lot of services you can see: Twitch, YouTube, Twitter. Who else does live stream on Twitter? Who does live stream on Twitter? I don't know. Here it is the output screen. This is the main screen. Here make the mode as simple. Video bitrate as your computer specs is. I am doing it 2500. Encoder type hardware software. If you have a good graphics card system, then do it in hardware encoder. Audio bitrate is 160, that is normal. It is the record part where you are saving. I'm just saving it here. Here you make sure it is high quality medium size file. Here you make sure it is MP4 for uploading it to YouTube. I'm just making this for YouTube video recording. Here I'm using software, you can use it hardware and software also. And then after clicking on apply, here you need to go. Here it is audio, it should be 44 hertz, or you can do it 48 hertz. Channel stereo, all as usual, no need to touch anything. Here in video you should do my laptop screen best resolution is 1080p. It is a full HD display, and the output also is full HD, so you can see my videos are all HD. So here in the downscale filter you can use Langclose, what it is, Langzos, something like that. Langzos, it is the best one among this one. It is the fastest, but it blurs if in scrolling. So, and in FPS you can do it 30. If you have a higher end PC, do it 60. I used to do earlier 60, now I am doing 30, but you can do 60. I can also do 60. My computer does that. My computer can handle it on 60 fps. It's not that bad. Then click on apply. Here on advanced, just keep it all as simple. I didn't touch anything. It is for live stream. Here is a stream relay. If you are doing a live stream gameplay and if you are playing with the subscribers, then you just give a 20 seconds delay so that they can don't stream snipe you. That's the fact of live streams. I will talk it on another video, not in this one. This is just for recording. And on this one, after it is completed, here you can see the screen. You can add a screen name. Here you can add anything, add input capture, add audio capture, browser, source, color, game capture for playing capturing games, image, slideshow, media source, scene, text, video capture, group, etc. Video capturing devices for the webcam, but I will not do in this one. I don't require a webcam for tutorial videos, or it might be taken on the 1K subscribers if you make it. So that was in here. If now it is here start streaming, you can also control your mic voice, you can also control your desktop audio voice. Start streaming, stop streaming, then start recording. If you click on it, will then give studio stop recording option. It will start recording. Here it is the studio mode. Here you can switch on between two transition. If you are playing game and after the game ends you want to go to switch to your webcam, just full webcam, so that's the transition is used. Here shortcut keys are used. It can be setting up here hotkeys. You can see hotkeys here are shortcuts are set. I don't do any live stream, so I don't require any transition or fade. That one I just start record, stop record, edit videos on Premiere Pro, upload it on YouTube, and that's simple. That's how quickly I does video. So that's for today in this video of the OBS Studio recording tutorial. Hope you like this video. Share this video and subscribe to my channel. And here you can see it is recording. I have recorded it here. You can see I can lower my voice. Yeah, that's it in this video. Hope you like this video. Share this video and subscribe to my channel. I have recently changed the name of the channel for some reasons. I will explain it on later videos. And till then, also go to my Instagram. I am active there. So that's for it today. Bye bye. See ya in another video. Till then, have a nice day. Bye bye. Peace.